In today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to count all the way up to 8 and 9. So our I can statement is, I can count to 8 and 9. So my friend Jackson here has made some sandwiches for lunch on the beach. I'm going to draw a picture on my 10 frame to show how many sandwiches Jackson has made. So remember, when I'm counting, I want to cross out the image as I count out loud, so that way I don't accidentally miscount or count too many or forget to count a sandwich. So cross it out. 1, fill in my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So Jackson has 8 sandwiches. I know this because on my 10 frame, I have filled in 8 dots and I crossed out my sandwiches as I counted them out loud. So I'm going to write the number 8 right here. So Jackson sees he has a lot of ants on the picnic table. So he's trying to figure out how many ants he has. So he used a 10 frame and counted how many he had and filled them out in his 10 frame. So I'm going to count with him just to check his work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, I accidentally already counted that one. That's why it's important to cross them out as you count them so you don't accidentally count them twice. So we have 6, 7, 8, and 9. So he has 9 ants on his picnic table. Now I'm going back and checking my work. I did make sure I crossed all my ants out. All my ants have been only crossed out one time. So that way I know I have 9 ants. So on our guided practice, I see I have some sandwiches. So I'm going to count my sandwiches and fill in my 10 frame to see how many I have. Now remember, the 10 frame is used to help keep us nice, neat, and organized. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we had 9 sandwiches. All right, let's look at this sandwich. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I had 8 sandwiches there. Okay, let's check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 sandwiches. So I can see on my 10 frame a different way to organize how many I've counted. And it helps when I'm counting out loud and crossing out the objects so I do not miscount and count too many or not enough. So for your activity today, you are going to complete this worksheet. You are going to look at how many objects you have. I want to see you cross out the object and put a dot or color in a dot in your 10 frame to show how many you have. Then on 10, I'd like for you to create your own.